Hey guys, what is up? Quick question. Are you the type of person who loves the idea of a premium Samsung phone, but the second you see that S-series price tag, you immediately hit the back button? If that sounds like you, then this video is exactly what you need to see. There is a massive leak hitting the market right now. Samsung is about to shake up their popular A-series in a way that is going to give budget competitors some serious sleepless nights. Yes, we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy A18 5G. The leaks are suggesting this phone has features that go head-to-head with flagships, but the price? It's actually going to be friendly to your wallet. So, if you're looking to buy a powerful new smartphone, or you're just curious about the hype, stick around until the end. We are breaking down the full leaked specs, the price, and the launch date. Let's dive in. Features of the Galaxy A18 5G. Display and design. First, let's talk about the thing you stare at all day, the display. According to the leaks, the A18 5G isn't giving you just any average screen. We are looking at a 6.7-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. But the real magic is in the speed. We're talking a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. Gamers, are you listening? You are not going to miss those headshots. And for the content consumers, say goodbye to thick borders. Rumors point to a 93.6% screen-to-body ratio. It is basically all screen in your hand. Plus, with Gorilla Glass 6 protection, and an in-display fingerprint sensor, it's built to last and totally future-proof. Camera setup. Alright, let's talk about the feature we all go crazy for, the cameras. On the back, we're looking at a massive triple camera setup. You're getting a 50-megapixel main sensor, which should turn low-light shots into daylight clarity. On top of that, there's a huge 24-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel macro lens. And for the selfie lovers, you won't be disappointed. A 32-megapixel front camera ensures your reels and snaps stay crisp and detailed. Honestly, you might not even need filters anymore. Performance. Now, let's get to the heart of the phone. Will it lag? Not a chance. Reports suggest Samsung is packing this with their latest, Exynos 1480 chipset. This processor isn't just going to rock 5G, it's going to handle heavy gaming and multitasking like butter. And here is a massive surprise. Samsung might be taking a huge leap in software. This phone is rumored to launch with Android 16 right out of the box. So while everyone else is waiting for updates, you'll already be living in the future. Battery and charging. Now, with features this heavy, you'd think it would drain the battery, right? Wrong. Samsung made a smart move here. We are expecting a massive 5500 mAh battery. Charge it in the morning, and forget about it until you go to sleep. And if you do manage to kill the battery while gaming, you've got 50 watts super fast charging via USB-C. Minutes on the charger, hours of power. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question. How much is this going to hurt your wallet? According to the leaks and rumors, this phone could launch between $250 and $300. If we actually get these specs at that price point, this thing is going to absolutely set the market on fire. As for when you can get it, have a little patience, it's expected to hit the US market by the middle of next year. So guys, are you going to wait for this phone, or is there another device on your wishlist? Let me know in the comments down below.